Soft, comfortable. The cloud slippers make you feel like you are walking on clouds. Your feet feel as if you are walking on little pillows. Every day that you have a lot of walking to do, these slippers will keep your feet happy. Unique design. Healthy and high-quality material. They are light and portable, so you can take them anywhere. The slides have a unique sole pattern design. No matter where you are, the bathroom or swimming pool, they can make you walk confidently with every step without worrying about slipping. Fashion match. You can wear with socks or bare feet, for summer and winter wear. For stepping outside and indoors, these foam sandal slides are just as cute with shorts, jeans and yoga pants. You will be excited to put them on every day. Various scenarios. Cute pillow slippers are perfect for a beach party, swimming pools, spa, gyms, and showers. Perfect gifts. With a variety of colors to choose from, these slides come in many colors that will suit you. It's also a perfect gift for family and friends. We recommend that you measure your feet and choose your size according to our size chart.